champ is here.
Alright, this is my shit right here.
The champ is here.
This shit is crazy.
The
evil genius green
lantern is here. The champ is here. The champ is here.
Yeah. D-Block, double R.
The champ is here.
Fucking with the champion.
You already know. J-A-D is the game goodbye.
You ain't fucking with the champion.
You already know.
Green lane.
Tell him, kiss. Niggas know the champ isn't here. He took it from crack to rap. Now he put out 2 anthems a year. And I just wanna rock for a century and then chase the book with the documentary. If you can't do nothing other than flow, life's a bitch like the mother from Blow. Let's go, don't make me put your heart in your lap. Fuck riding the beat, nigga. I parallel park on the track. Hop out looking crispy, fresh and new. And it's 6, but it's a BM and it's Pepsi Blue. And I don't know you, but I know a man becomes a man from all the shit that he go through. And y'all ain't fucking with Jason. After I cash in, it's really no justification of how I'm gonna change the game. So don't get out of line. It's this little 9 to change your frame.
The champ is here. The champ is here.
Kiss.
The champ is here. The champ is here.
Got a problem with Jay to handle it when you see Kiss. Time's up, the champ is here. It's the remix. We about to make the world get down. And I hate cops, but it's a new sheriff in town. Let's go. Everybody pipe down. You know the game is mine right now. Put your mics down. And the truth is that, let's go. Y'all know the black Babe Ruth is back. Listen, the game's scary, cause everybody running around wanting to be Alpo. What about Wayne Perry? A thin line between living and being buried. Where I'm from, it's either the yard or the cemetery. I don't own a computer, but I download the Ruger. The earth's still spinning while the rounds going through ya. Shorty's bringing the work back uptown on a scooter. No security, I just move around with a shooter. Pounds of purple, bricks of diesel. Late night finishing strong like Mr. C do. And the Tommy hold 85-45s, dog, so you can go get your people. Just make sure you tell them that.
The champ is here. The champ is here.
Yeah, champ is here.
The champ is here.
That's right.
The champ is here.
Fucking with the champion.
You already know. J-A-D is the game goodbye.
You ain't fucking with the champion.
You already know.
Green lane.
Tell him, kiss. Y'all never gonna touch the kid. Kiss of death. They gon' have to get me at the top. Y'all never gonna touch the kid. Gangsta kiss, no love this time. Tell him, kiss.
The champ is here. The champ is here. The champ is here. The champ is here.
Yeah. Tell him. Yeah. Weezy bad. Nah, really, I'm good. Sound like a T-Rex live under my hood. Better know the tech live under my seat. Put you in the ground, now you live under my feet. All white diamonds on the front of my teeth. And you better put the O in front of my G. The bullshit they talking doesn't come to my knee. I'm like a linebacker, don't run it by me. My 2 best friends will accompany me. And right now they are in my dungaree sleep. One named Mac, one named Nina. They hit you, make you do the Macarena. Why you two? You gon' need it like a motherfucker. And I am so New Orleans like a motherfucker. It's Young Money and we eatin', get your own supper. Make me go off in the trunk, get that bone crusher. Text AKs, I need a scene ugly. Chest, head, face, arm, leg, stomach. I never been afraid, I ain't scared of nothing. Cause I got my thing, my thing, my thing. That bitch go boom. Boom, 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 boom. You hear them guns like boom, 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 boom. Yeah, they like the way I ball. They call me hot sauce. They know I keep that toast that you can be my Pop-Tart. I never had height, but boy I got heart. And I ain't gotta speak, I just let my card talk. I got more clips than any movie you saw. I pull up on you like I need some Grey Poupon. Hard hat, no, but I got the tool on. And you should be my paper if ever the tool's drawn. Yeah. flow retarded when I spit, I get my drool on. I don't rap, I just shit like a newborn. I don't write, I just spit like a tooth gone. So tell them haters cut it out like a coupon. How come that chopper sound like a nuke bomb? Little nigga gotta hold that bitch with 2 arms. I got the heat, the fire, and the lukewarm. I'm on your heels like a shoe horn. Text 8Ks, I need a scene ugly. Chest, head, face, arm, leg, stomach. I never been afraid, I ain't scared of nothing. Cause I got my thing, my thing, my thing. That bitch go boom, 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 boom. You hear them guns like boom, 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 boom.
This song is rated M for mature.
Yeah, press the start button. Tell these hoes to press the start button. Punch in your code and press the start button. And let the motherfucking game begin. For any one of these flows, just press the start button. Yeah, tell my foes to press the start button. For a ludicrous show, just press the start button. And let the motherfucking game begin. Look here. Picture perfect, I paint a perfect picture. Eyes low, cause Igloo done wrote the perfect swisher. Hit you with the weaponry, tell your soldiers to back down. I'm raw like WE, you'll get smacked down. How you want it? I'll clobber my opponents like Blanca. Boy, you're street fighting with a monster. A-town mobster, blowing smoke like rosters. Pulling out guns like in Contra. More boys than Tonka. I'm a fucking problem. Rob 'em. It's Grand Theft Auto, it's burners right beside 'em. Hollow points headed to your dome. Hollow points headed to your home. Your head'll let it shred it from the chrome. It's ludicrous, parents think I'm a weirdo. I'm a god of war, you a guitar hero. So let's box like Tyson, you'll get punched out. Welcome to Luda's world, now bring the blood out. Yeah, press the start button. Tell these hoes to press the start button. Punch in your code and press the start button. And let the motherfucking game begin. For any one of these flows, just press the start button. Yeah, tell my foes to press the start button. For a ludicrous show, just press the start button. And let the motherfucking game begin. I'm live at an NBA, Luda super like Mario. That PlayStation 4 shit, you older than Atari, ho. Flows that'll make MCs go like Diego. Call me the Master Chief, my life is like Halo. Fighting off haters, I'm the best, ass Khaled. I'm at the Call of Duty, plus my Metal Gear Solid. My resident is evil, full of Southside riders. I hope you're packed, man, I got 6 virtual fighters that'll blitz you like Madden 09. Or hit you with the Mac and 4-9s. Then later sit back and blow pine like it's something to do. It ain't pretty. The Final Fantasies, they think they live in Sim City. But I'm a mech warrior, try me and I'll damage you. Holding the soul caliber or shoot you like Gallagher. And my creed assassins you. So clear the room before the shotgun help you meet your ultimate doom. Yeah, press the start button. Tell these hoes to press the start button. Punch in your code and press the start button. And let the motherfucking game begin. For any one of these flows, just press the start button. Yeah, tell my foes to press the start button. For a ludicrous show, just press the start button. And let the motherfucking game begin. Whether 25,000 or 25 mil, survival of the fittest, either kill or be killed. Get your game on, player, get your game on. Get your game on, player, get your game on. Doesn't matter if it's 25 bricks or it's 25 bucks. Survival of the fittest, either stick or get stuck. Get your game on, player, get your game on. Get your game on, player, get your game on. Hey! Yeah, press the start button. Tell these hoes to press the start button. Punch in your code and press the start button. And let the motherfucking game begin. For any one of these flows, just press the start button. Yeah,
Professional hood shit. My niggas, let's do it. 6 shots out of the Westin, so much purple, a drought is out of the question. Blow your heart out of your chest then lay low in the Trump duplex down on the West End. Focus on what I invest in. Got married to marijuana, yeah, and the connect is my best man. Even though the game gon' change, it's the same old thing. Most of my cash came off game. I'm in the 645 nigga with deuces. White pipe, late night creeping with 2 deuces. Old head told me can't save money, you useless. And all you gon' ever have is excuses, boy. What the fuck y'all think I make music for? And I'm about to get a gallon of water. My man on lockdown, gon' flood the island with quarters. Move work from Denver to DC like Porters. OT the whole winter, see me like August. And I still rip a nigga beat like I bought it. And they say it's my time, so I'm glad I caught it. My bars could be smoked in the pipe or snorted. I'm just making it clear. The Chizamp is his ear. The Gizame is Mizine, niggas. This year's ear. Glock with a full clip. Y'all keep dropping that bullshit till you get popped like a bull whip. Plan is to amaze ya. And even when they try to make the guard dress up, I got the hammer and the blazer. Step my game up from the potato to the laser. So you gon' need surgery, even if it graze ya. Motherfucking kiss of death, nigga. Double R, D block, and you know the ghost is next, nigga. Can't find you, we just smoke the next, nigga. Never hold nothing in, you supposed to check niggas. Whoever you could think of is garbage offhand. Never forget how to make a profit off grams. I just sold my house and made a profit off land. The Beamer's on eBay, I got that off cam. You never would've thought Martin was knocking off Pam. We got riders in every market, nigga, they all